Hello friends, today I'll be showing you a great hiding place on the outside of this Mitsubishi Mirage that will allow you to do things like hide your car keys when you want to go swimming at the beach. Full disclosure, don't blame me if your car gets stolen for following my stupid advice. So we start off by looking at the rear of the car, and then we look down where the license plate is, and we look up where the license plate lights are. You can see here there are two lights. Light 1, light 2, and you can also see there's this giant void space here. The whole bumper is hollow. So we're going to start off by taking whatever we want to hide. In this case it'll be my car keys, and we're going to tie a piece of dental floss to them. Now we're going to throw our car keys into the void space. And we're going to tuck our dental floss away on the other side. Now if we look at the car, it's impossible to tell that something's been hidden there. It's a perfectly good concealment. Now we can just grab our dental floss and pull our keys right back out. Thank you for watching. Please leave your questions, comments, concerns, feedback, and criticism down below.